Hey Gems family, we are here in Johns Pass, which is close to Madeira Beach. So look at this view right here. It is so absolutely stunning. So come along and see what we do in Johns Pass. And make sure to hit the like and to subscribe. Johns Pass is a very popular location for fishing, shopping, walking along the boardwalk, restaurants, and just the beauty, which you are going to see really soon.
Let me take you out and have some fun in the Florida sun. You know what I mean? Enjoy life with Marlene. Enjoy life with Marlene. Here's another thing I want to say. Check out my
Now I'm trying to make a decision what I want to eat. There's a lot of restaurants and shops and ice cream places, and you can go on boat tours and dolphin tours and all of those things. So I'm trying to focus myself because it's so beautiful up here. I'm going to turn the camera around and let you guys see. So stay tuned.
You know what I mean? Enjoy life with Marlene. Enjoy life with Marlene. Here's another thing I want to say. Check out my outfit of the day. Let me show you fun. Let me show you how to have fun in the sun. Enjoy life with Marlene. Here's another thing I want to say. Check out my outfit of the day. Let me show you fun. Let me show you how to have fun in the sun. Life with Marlene.
shout out to all of my amazing channel members. Thank you so much. Global Empire ENT Media, Lara Yellow Sword, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, Sirius as a Virgo from Georgia, and Miss Nexie Puzzle Pieces. Join channel membership if you want to be featured. I am Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to leave me a comment below.